So we're in this neighborhood in Scarborough, and Instagram got me interested in this place called, let me get to it first. St. Andrew's Fish and Chips, Scottish. All right, let's go in. Let's check it out. Hi there. Did you take my call earlier today? Yeah, I'm Liz. Right, I'm gonna be dining here. Oh, the music, the speakers. I'm gonna stay in the front where there's no speakers. All right, so I'm finally inside here at St. Andrew's Fish and Chips, traditional Scottish fish and chips. Found them through Instagram, so social media does work. Yeah, so I'm excited to try out the halibut fish and chips. So we have the a la carte order for $21.99, and the dinner is $26.99, which I'm gonna go for the dinner. And their wine, house wine, is reasonable, 6 ounce for $8.95. A half a liter is $16.95, which downtown Toronto you get a glass for $16.95. So that's a good bargain here. All right, I got my order. This is the a la carte, so it's $21.99. The dinner comes that's with a choice of mushy peas or bread or coleslaw, and then coffee or tea at the end, but I don't really need that. So this is it. This is pretty good. I think it looks good. All right, I'm gonna dig in. French fries is good. French fries are pretty good. That's great. I am a connoisseur for gravy. It's good gravy. Anybody like gravy? Take your bite. Yum, yum, yum. I'm just eating the fries first. I have a thing about eating French fish and chips. I eat with my hands. I don't know why. I just find it falls apart when I cut into it too much. This is how I cut it. I poke at it. It's so delicate. Look at that piece. Wow. Take your bite. Wow. Flaky. It's good. The batter is perfect. Thin batter. That's perfect. Take your bite. This is worth coming out to for sure. There's not many good fish and chips restaurants downtown Toronto that I know of. I've tried finding, but they're all in the suburbs. the outskirts of town. I'm so impressed with St. Andrew's fish and chips because they bring out a whole thing of tartar sauce. That's very generous of them to do because a lot of other places that serve fish and chips give you a little bit, you know, in those little ornament, condiment bowls or whatever. But this, I'm so impressed with this. And then again, I indulge in all this tartar sauce. So take your bite, come here out to Ellesmere and McAllen to St. Andrew's Fish and Chips, traditional Scottish fish and chips. Take your bite. Bye.